let's go ahead and review all the other things, because I feel like I was in a rush because poor stamp period got cut short. You don't need a textbook for this class. If for some reason Miss Billings gave you a textbook and you just don't want to deal with it for the year, bring it to me. If you want to keep it for kicks and giggles because you want to make sure, I don't know, it's not a bad idea, but you don't have to have it. I already had a parent email me from one of my other classes last night. Awesome. I love email. If you have a question, concern, whatever, email me. If for some reason, I'm not going to buy you a calculator. I love you dearly, but I'm a school teacher, so I just can't afford that. If for some reason you cannot afford pencil, binder, dividers, whatever it is you cannot afford, if you'll let me know, I can help you with that. I'm a school supply junkie. But it needs to be like you couldn't afford, not you're just lazy. Okay, and then we discussed expectations. We talked about me and my passes being just so. We talked about tardies, makeup work, so no offense to the poor seniors, but honestly, if they want to finish filling in the syllabus, they're going to have to do some sort of makeup work, because we're moving on after this. And then we discussed number strokes, which we're not going to start till Monday. Even though we're not going to start them until Monday, I'm going to point some stuff out today. Like, oh, I would have given you a point for that, or oh, your group would have lost a point for that. That way you can already anticipate how life's going to go. Okay, we talked about homework, we talked about tests and quizzes, we discussed math workshop, that's our new name for bell ringers. Were there any questions about that front side of the syllabus? You got home and you're concerned about something. Because I know you went home and studied over all your classroom syllabuses. Yeah, sure you did. Okay, if you on the back, we discussed I rarely use cell phones. You can lose your group points. If all you're doing all day is playing on that phone while I'm talking to you, you will lose your group points. So you don't want to be that person. We discussed the hover cam and the e-beam. I'll actually show you the e-beam in just a second. I pressed the wrong record. See, I'm not very good at the e-beam yet either, so I'll have to stop recording to show you that. You can come see me 0 period. You can email me, Google Classroom. I'm not going to read rules to you. We discussed yesterday, if you're absent or you need something extra, it's probably on Google Classroom. If there's extra copies, I put it in the absent crate. And then my last thought would be, you can always phone a friend. Okay, when I say phone a friend, I mean the poor seniors who aren't in here right now. If they were to kindly ask you, hey, can I finish copying your syllabus? That I would totally understand. I would totally understand. But if the poor senior who's not in here right now says, hey, can I copy your homework? That I don't really understand. So when I say phone a friend, I mean within reason. Like you didn't finish notes. You need help with something. Not I'm going to copy your work. Because I was in high school. I know what it looks like when you just copy someone else's work. And trust me, your grade will reflect that when we take a test. Okay, absences. You know you have 3 days. And I messed something up yesterday. I need to tell you about my stamp date. Because I don't think I did. And if the seniors are in the room, I would add a little thing that says senioritis. Since they're not in here, we won't even reference that disease. Surely you don't have it yet. If you've got senioritis as a junior, my goodness. It's going to be a long time for you. Okay, so you know you have 3 days to make something up. And I know you're like, she doesn't even know my name. How is she going to know if I was there or not? I am doing a stamp date, which is what I should have done yesterday. So can you get out your course outline from yesterday? Did I give you one of these? It looks like this. You're supposed to get your parents to sign it. Will you get it out for me? I forgot to do something very important with it yesterday. You're the only class I messed up with all day long. I'm going to I'll stamp today's date on it, since it's no longer the 9th. But I'm going to stamp the date on it, so it can't say, Ms. Compton, I wasn't there, so I never got that. This date stamp kind of proves, yes, I saw Nick's face, I stamped his paper, I know he was here. If you've already gotten it signed, which I see if you have, I swear when I stop rambling, go ahead and put it in that second period bucket. Let's go ahead and get you that perfect score in Algebra 2 at Trig. I'll type it in this weekend. Get you that perfect score off to the right start. It's not going to be due until, apparently, going crazy. It's not going to be due until next Friday, but Angel's not going to wait until next Friday. She wants to start off with her A. She's probably going to get it signed tonight and bring it back tomorrow. That would be the smart thing to do. We're going to say it's a 20-point homework grade. And then, to give you a little incentive to come tonight, if I meet your parent, mom, dad, guardian, whomever, grandma, whoever it is that you're bringing, if I meet them tonight, I will add an extra 5 points. So you go ahead and start off your life with over 100 in algebra to Trig. Now, I understand they threw together open house the first week of school. It's kind of hard to make that swing. So if you are not coming tonight, don't lose heart over losing out on that 5-point bonus. I swear I tend to be a bonus person. It will pop up again sometime. I always loved it when the teacher gave bonus. Okay. Are there any questions about anything regarding this syllabus? Then there were a couple things I also didn't hit on yesterday that I should. We already discussed I'm crazy with the passage, and somebody's already on my nerves from last period. I'm going to have to get on to that kid tomorrow, because you know what he did. I tend to tell you, no offense, but I guess I'm Thomas Edison, and this is my electricity in here, so you can't have it. But if for some reason I have a mild stroke and decide that you can plug whatever it is you're plugging in, if you undo one of my baby plugs, you better put it back in the right way. I know when it's not put back in the right way. I swear if you turn it the wrong way, then I can see part of the orange plug. You've never met anyone who's as picky as I am. So I just probably wouldn't even mess with my stuff, to be honest. But it is what it is. Okay, and then something else important I forgot to tell you about yesterday, which is new to this year. If you're going to have to wiggle around to get it. If you can go ahead and whoever's near the end, look in the drawers by your table. What are in the drawers? Look in the drawers. Okay, let's see, Delaney, can you tell me what's in that top drawer?
Tissues, Germex.
Yeah, a hole punch? Okay, does everyone have tissues, Germex, and a hole punch in their top drawer? Perfect. Okay, let's look at that second drawer now. AJ, what's in your second drawer? Okay, inside the 2 pencil boxes. One pencil box has colored pencils. The other has pens of different colors. Well, some just have red. It depends on where you sit. A stapler and a pencil sharpener. That is correct. Nick, what's in that third drawer? Papers, dry erase markers, a clipboard, and I think there's graph paper if you dig real deep. Yeah, graph paper too. Okay, you know I'm crazy. You know I'm going to be particular about the stuff going back in the drawer. Anne-Marie has a cold. She's had out the tissues the whole time. In this fake world, she does. When she leaves class, she's going to, oh no, what drawer do the tissues go in? They're somewhere in the room to help Anne-Marie with those context clues. Where is it? Find it. She could reference another drawer. That's a good answer. That would get you a point. Yes, dear. Where could you find it? Surely Miss Commons put something somewhere to help you. There's a sign back there on the wall that says, what is in each drawer? So Anne-Marie can reference it and say, oh, it says tissues go in drawer 1. So I'm going to put them back in drawer 1. Because Miss Compton is crazy and she likes her stuff just so. If Anne-Marie leaves the room and the tissues are out on her box, I will remember. And Anne-Marie tomorrow, I will be like, hey, why are my tissues left out yesterday? I called out poor Seth. I don't know if y'all know Seth. He sits in that desk this morning. I said, yesterday you left rings on my desk because you had a drink. Don't do that again. Like, you don't want to be that person. Please don't be that person. Okay, we discussed remove plugs. I guess that's all the super important stuff, so I can stop this recording. And I'll show you how my e-beam works.